This one will go fast because it's a darling brick home with 3 beds, 2 baths, a 2-car garage, and a nice enclosed laundry room. It is close to shopping and campus on a great corner lot with a fenced yard and a nice size covered patio. The living room is large, bright, and open to the kitchen and dining area. The kitchen has lots of cabinets, a double sink, recessed kitchen lighting, crown molding in living area, kitchen and master bedroom. Large master bedroom with a recessed area that would make a great study, sitting or makeup area. Double corner style sinks, jetted tub and large walk-in closet accents the master bath. Bedroom number 2 is very roomy and the 3rd bedroom could double for a nursery, but is currently a full bedroom. Home is occupied through May 31st, must have 24-hour notice. Please text Rosetta for all appointments.